The Ministry of Trade and Industry says it is working to provide adequate support to women and youth-led businesses in Ghana to thrive under the African Continental Free Trade Area Agreement. According to the ministry, the coordination unit under the program has engaged local banks and instituted measures to allow businesses owned by women access loan facilities at lower interest rates. Here's more.
The African Union, after establishing a common market for businesses on the continent through the Continental Free Trade Agreement, has prioritized the inclusion of women and youth-led businesses. It is reforming policies under the agreement to suit such businesses to boost the local economies. Financing and upscaling businesses is a bane of operations of many local entrepreneurs. Osman Mahmouda is Ashanti Regional Director of the Ministry of Trade and Industry.
Under African Continental Free Trade Area Agreement, now there is a protocol to support women-led and youth-led businesses. At the national level, too, government is putting in a lot of effort to support women who are in business and who are willing to trade under the Continental Free Trade Agreement. One of the things that the AfCFTA coordination unit is doing is that they've engaged banks and negotiated with them to be able to give loans to women in business so that they can get loans at a reduced interest rate. Currently, the information I have is that women can access facilities at a lower rate of 10% interest rate.
He was speaking at the GIZ Trade Hub and the Ghana National Chamber of Commerce and Industrial Women Conference in the Ashanti region. The conference brought stakeholders, including local entrepreneurs, businesses, to deliberate on pushing support for women under the trade agreement. The Chamber of Commerce and Industry suggesting an intensified sensitization and capacity building of the youth on TVET program to pique their interest in local productions. Victoria Hager is the first vice president of the association.
We agree that the SSS program is good to give our youth, at least the writing and the reading skills and the arithmetic. But most importantly is the skill training. If they have that, then they are able to produce things, that we ourselves, have here.
Local businesses are prevailing on the government and other institutions to facilitate the completion of railway lines for transporting goods on the continent. They observed the absence of an easy and local means of transport for both import and export products is negatively affecting business. Janet Abobigu is the CEO of Unij Clothing.
And Kakrobia Baya Ebin Coho, because I'm Sano, and in some box site, no Maganis, near the Adini in our timber in a train, and we are cheaper than a car.
The conference was held under the theme Making After Work Through a Deliberate Inclusion of Women. For JoyNews, my name is Emmanuel Bright Quick.